welcome back to my channel. Hope y'all doing well. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace parts and just disassemble the controller. So here we go.
Look at me,
So first you're going to need to take apart the controller, make sure everything's working first. So we're just going to go ahead. Should be 4 screws in the back, 2 on top, 2 on bottom. Alright, so now that we got it like this, we're going to go ahead and get a flathead screwdriver and just go along the edges, prying open the controller. Okay, now once you have it like this, you're going to want to open it. If you have like an older model, you're going to want to push forward so that these buttons don't fly out. Okay, and you're going to have a little strip attached. See that strip right there? Just going to want to disconnect it like that. And there you go. So now that we have it like this, let's say you wanted to replace the battery, right? And take the battery out, pull the plug, right? And then insert your new battery, okay? Now, if you wanted to replace the older, right? Take the screw out. Okay. Pull up, right? Battery holder out now. Okay. Let's say you wanted to replace the motherboard. Or maybe you wanted to replace the joysticks. Okay. Pull that tab out. Take this out. Push down on the joysticks. Something fell out there. Okay. And there you have your joysticks. These ones are mismatched because I changed them. So just because one was like, it didn't have no rubber around it. If you want to just take them off, just go pull out. Boom. Okay. That's it. So now let's say you wanted to take the whole system out, right? You wanted to take the little controller piece out and the motherboard. So what you'd want to do, take the motherboard like that, get this strip right here, through that hole, and then pull out. Okay. And there you have it. There's your motherboard and control system. So now, say you want to replace the LED or some controllers don't have the LED thing on it. Oh wait, this is the little buttons for the options and stuff. So yeah. So right here, just gonna do that, push in, and then from the bottom, push it and just take it out, slide it out like that. Right? And these, you can just pop them out, little holders. You can replace the keys. Put that back. Okay, so say you wanted to replace the charging port, right? Because maybe it's bad or just whatever the case may be. So you're going to take this part right here and just pull that out. Make sure you don't break it. Okay, got it pulled out. I'm going to set it right here. Right, you're going to push in on this plastic thing. It should fall out easily. Set it right there. And this clear plastic that's right there, just push in, pull that back. Okay, so now once you're at this step, you're gonna want to go ahead, take this off, little black strips too, put that there, okay, and then now if you want to replace that, you can go ahead and unscrew it, or if you just need to replace the strip, you can take it off, put another one back in, and there you go. Okay, so putting this back, this may be a little tricky. What you want to do is get this left side first, then make sure that you have the little rectangles in there, like the hollow rectangles. Put the left side first, and then the right side. The right side should just fall in, and there you go. Now it's back in place. So to reassemble it now, we're going to get this little thing, pop it back in there, right? I'm gonna put the buttons back in. Okay. Should just fall right back in place, like so. Okay. Then you're gonna get your, you should push down on the motherboard. Get your battery holder. Put the screw back in. You go ahead and place your battery back in. Okay. Reapply that little strip. If you have an older version. Okay. Just wiggle it into place. Alright, so now that you got it all into place, go ahead and reapply those 4 screws. Okay, now that we got all these back in place, I will leave a link here for all the parts that I changed today if you need any spare ones. Yeah, hopefully I could help you today, and have a good day. Peace.